In this tutorial, we're going to show you two different things. We're going to show you how to insert an image from a URL directly into a session, and then how to create hyperlinks within the BravoZone. First, let's go ahead and insert an image from a URL. Now, I have a question on tomatoes, and I want to put an image of a tomato. So I went to Wikipedia here. This is an open source file that I can use. And I can simply right-click on the image and copy the link address. Now, I'm going to be very candid with you. In this particular example, it's probably best that I just download the image or do a screenshot. But you have different choices. I'm going to go to the BravoZone. So I'm in the BravoZone here. I'm going to go to the preview, and I'm going to go to Add Media. When you click on Add Media, you have some options: link to URL, YouTube, or media library. I'm going to click on Link to URL. And I'm going to go ahead and paste that URL right here. Now we know this is going to work because A, we see a picture of the tomato right here below it. If you don't, then that URL is not going to work. One of the key things, but this is not 100% and we can't control it, is that it should end in one of these types of formats: JPEG, PNG, GIF, etc. And I'm going to click OK. We're done. I'm going to go back to Wikipedia, and I'm just going to grab this URL, and I'm going to use this as my source. So I'm going to copy that URL up there, come down here, and what I'm going to do is click here, and I'm going to click on this little hyperlink icon. And it's going to ask me to insert a link. I'm going to paste that link right here. Now, this is the link we're going to visit. The text I can put here will serve as the hyperlink. And I'm going to simply put in, to learn more, visit Wikipedia. And I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm. Now, I can preview this by clicking on the preview icon. And this is what it's going to look like. Well, that's it. Very simple to do. You have lots of different options. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next presentation more engaging. Take care.